In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Buy Tuesday strategy in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. Any market is fine here, whether it's stocks, forex, or crypto. Once your chart is loaded, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually found on the main toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and apply built-in indicators, community scripts, and strategies. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. This search bar is how you quickly find specific tools without scrolling through long lists. Click directly into the search box so your cursor is active there. Now you're ready to type in the name of the strategy you want to use. In the search box, type Buy Tuesday Strategy. Give it a moment for TradingView to load the results. You should see the strategy appear in the list below the search field. Make sure you select the correct one that matches the name exactly, since there can be scripts with similar titles. Once you see it, simply click on the strategy name. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. You'll notice that your chart updates right away. The Buy Tuesday strategy will start plotting entries, exits, and performance data, depending on how the script is built. This lets you visually backtest how the strategy would have performed on your chosen market and time frame. Take a moment to zoom in and scroll through the chart so you can see how the signals line up with price action. If you want to adjust any of the settings for the Buy Tuesday strategy, hover over its name in the top left corner of your chart and click on the settings icon. Here you can usually tweak parameters like session times, filters, or risk preferences, depending on how the author coded the script. After you change anything, hit OK, and the chart will refresh with your new settings. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to more features, like additional indicators on a single chart and more saved layouts, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you the full pro experience, which makes working with strategies like Buy Tuesday much smoother and more flexible. That's all you need to do to add the Buy Tuesday strategy in TradingView Pro.